Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate or other legal concerns you may have. And this week I want to just first congratulate all of you who, for whatever reason, maybe it was due to the ongoing pandemic concerns or maybe other family issues that cropped up, or maybe you just had this on your to-do list, but I congratulate you for completing your estate plan, getting that done and out of the way, checked off, and that all of your wishes and concerns have been documented and properly executed. Now, for those others out there, and you know who you are, who've been putting this off and you just haven't gotten to it yet, let me paint a picture for you. Let's imagine that you have 3 children and they are all adults, and it was your intent to leave your home and some of your property to your youngest child because the other 2 are married and have families of their own and they're doing just great. Now let's fast forward. You're gone and now they're having to deal with the estate of your estate and all the property that you've left behind. Now, you never did get around to putting those wishes down on paper. So let's further assume that these 3 can't come to an agreement as to what to do with your property. They don't want to split it evenly. One says, well, Mom wanted to leave it to me, or Dad wanted to leave it to me. You all know what they wanted, and they just can't come to an agreement. Your will was never done, let alone executed properly. And so there's these siblings are fighting with each other. And in the meantime, no one wants to take care of the property or maintain it. No one wants to make sure the taxes are kept up to date or do anything to really preserve the property until it's properly distributed. So that becomes a hot mess. And if they can't agree because you didn't put this in writing, now they bring the court into it, and the court assigns what we call here in Georgia a county administrator, which is basically a court-appointed attorney to act as the estate administrator. Now, that county administrator is not going to take into account necessarily any kind of family legacy you wanted to maintain or leave behind, or any of the emotions that go with some of the personal property or other assets that may have been left behind. They're just going to conduct business and make sure the administration of that estate is done efficiently and properly. And if it means selling the house, even though you wanted to leave it in the family, that house is going to get sold. And in the meantime, that county administrator is going to get his or her legal fees for acting as administrator, which also eats up the assets left in the estate, if there are any. And so your heirs, your children, may be left with nothing. And now they're quibbling over nothing. So let's prevent all of that from happening. I know some of you out there will say, well, I'm not going to be here, so I'm not going to worry about it. But your loved ones are going to have to worry about it. So why would you want to do that to them? So that's it for this week. I am off to enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Well, I'm not off going anywhere. I'm just going to open up my curtain a little more to enjoy the sunshine sitting here in my home office. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the week. As always, I thank you for watching, and please stay safe out there. Georgia, let's go vote.